All right, guys, we're getting more and more little things done. All the front clip has been stripped down. Very, very little body work to do on this. Just wanted to give you an idea and show you what it looks like. Of course, the fender's just kind of sitting on there with a couple of screws. It's not lined up. Just wanted to look at it. And it definitely looks good. Now, kind of doing this in a way that to show everybody that you can do this at home. You don't have a welder, you know, you're kind of screwed on some things. Have to have a big shop do all your patch panels or whatever, but we got really lucky on this front clip and this cab. No body damage, none. The biggest part of our repair work is that right there. And then down there in the corner. See that right there. But these little holes are getting filled right now on the other fender, and I'm going to show you. I mean, you can even see the front lights. They look really clean. So I'll show you what I'm doing now. Okay. If you don't have a welder to fill these up, JB Weld. This stuff is hard. The way we did this is we put it on top of a big washer. A washer, however you want to say it. And we stuck it to the back, left it level. But you have the JB Weld on the back side of this. I know I'm going to get a bunch of haters. But once this is done, I'm going to kind of fill this up. I mean, it's pretty level now. It's pretty smooth right now. But I'm going to put some over the top of this and sand it down so it is very, very smooth. You won't even see it. No damage here. None. But on this, I'm smoothing out all the tack welds, all the spots that were, back in the day when they were building these, they didn't really care. They just put it together. Didn't have the technology, I guess, for now. I don't know. But I'm smoothing all this out. This had actual rivets for this. This bracket was held on by these rivets here. And I figured that this is never coming off. So I just want to smooth this out. And then same on this side. All the way down. Now, this, I'm going to do away. Let me back out a little bit. Oh, yeah, I'm backed out. What we're going to do is, I took all this apart. And this is all loose as well. So what we're going to do, we'll do something really different. I'm going to insulate this whole hood. We'll leave these brackets in, but I'm going to insulate from here, level, all the way across, and to right here. So it'll be a nice smooth transition from here. You'll still see this, but it'll be a nice transition. All this will be smoothed out as well. I'm not going to block any of my hinge, but I'm going to leave that there. I'm going to fill these holes in here. I'm going to fill the holes where the cross was, because I'm getting rid of the cross because of the way I'm doing the inside. So I'm going to have some structural support, which you'll see how I'm doing that later. No, it's not going to be 20 pounds of Bondo or Duraglass. But once we get this all smoothed out and get it insulated, yeah, we'll have you back to look at it more. All right? Till later.